This video is being brought to you by Freedom Garage. Hey y'all, this is Dan from Freedom Garage again, and I'm here with my 2001 Chevy Silverado, and the back latch, the tailgate latch, has broken. So I've been having to use a screwdriver every time I want to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it, and just figured I'd make a short video and show you all how to go about doing it. Come on. So all the tools you need to do this job are going to be in the description, including the part that you need. So right here, tailgate latch. Nothing's happening. This piece in here broke. So anyway, this probably cost you about 15-20 bucks. Super easy to replace, and I'll go into the details on how you did it. So you gotta get the tailgate open. Again, I'm using my screwdriver. See, that's not working. Stick it up in there. And drop that down. Go ahead and go get yourself a 1/2-inch socket. But you're gonna take your 1/2-inch socket and go ahead and remove these 3 bolts that are on the tailgate. Then go ahead and lift your tailgate up so you can work on, obviously, the backside right here. Go ahead and take a screwdriver, or if you have any of those interior panel shims that go inside, so you can pop out this bezel. Pops out. Again, mine came with a new one. And since we've already removed the bolts on the inside, this whole latch is now ready to be removed. You take your new one and kind of match up, line up what you're looking at. And what you're going to have is you're going to have a wire that will need to be removed from each side, going to your tailgate latches, and you'll need to remove that for each of these sides. And then we're going to reinstall it and put in this new one. Here's the old part. You can see this part right there busted. And when you lift up the tailgate, that pushes down on these 2 tabs and opens up your latches. So again, what you're going to do is take these 2 wires. There's one on each side, one right here, and you're going to connect them to those little plastic tabs. There's a hole there, and then you're going to snap those plastic things to secure it on each side of your tailgate. One here and one here, and those are going to go into these little holes on the latch. You can see I broke the plastic piece off on this, but here you can see the intact one, and that wire that goes to the latch on each side of the tailgate is going to go right into that hole, and you're going to flip up that piece of plastic to secure it, and then you'll be able to connect. So that's how you should latch in the latch and connect it to each of the sides of your tailgate. So I got me some mechanics cologne right here. I'm going to go ahead and lubricate all these parts before I go ahead and fit them to the new latch. So you can see that little plastic connector, that wire looks like that. It needs to go in, and then that plastic snap connector comes around and up and clicks into that wire. Same thing for this white one right there. Now it's just a matter of go ahead, and we're going to go ahead and bolt that up on the back side, and we'll put the bezel back on, and we're good to go. And grab your new bezel or your old one. fixed. Pretty cool. Super easy job. And I think the only thing that I wasn't expecting is for those wires to be so hard to put inside those plastic sleeves and then lock those sleeves down. But other than that, for 15-20 bucks, you got yourself a new latch that will last, again, for my case, another 19 years hopefully. So thank you all for watching. This how-to video was brought to you by Freedom Garage. Freedom Garage is a charitable ministry that loves on God's people through cars. We specialize in oil changes and basic vehicle maintenance for single moms, widows, seminary students, retirees on fixed incomes, clergy, and missionaries. Our goal is to become a self-sustaining charity through social media by telling stories and creating how-to videos to help others. Please consider supporting us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and checking out the affiliate links in the video description. You can also follow our Instagram page at freedom_garage_KY.